Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Ivan Florentino, and for today's quick video, I'm in the editing process of my latest Skillshare course where I drew this spider monkey in my sketchbook, and this is a video that's under 15 minutes, but I'm going to leave you guys with this introduction of my class. And my latest full-length course, which is around an hour, is this digital painting of Yoda, so go ahead and check that one out as well. And don't forget that I do have a 1-month free Skillshare membership in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ring the bell, and let's get to it. Hello everyone, welcome back. I am here to show you my brand new course with my Skillshare class number 6. Now, this is one of my shortest classes that I've ever done, and one of the reasons I wanted to make sure this class was under 20 minutes because we are not dedicating ourselves to a huge drawing. Instead, we are using a tiny sketchbook and using cheap black ballpoint pens, which all of us usually do have at our homes. It's super easy and convenient to use, and it's going to help us improve our realistic drawing and our eye for detail, and with the emphasis on getting started with detailed drawing if you will feel intimidated to do so, because as artists I know that sometimes it can be intimidating to start a realistic drawing because it feels like sometimes we might not be enough to start off doing something with pencil and going all in on something like a human drawing, an animal, a pet, anything that involves a lot of rendering. I created this course specifically for you. So my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez. I graduated from California State University, Fullerton, and I do have experience with life studies, life drawing and painting, sketching with various mediums like pencil, pen, acrylic, and oil paint, and also a lot of digital work as well. And I also combine both traditional and digital in my courses as well. And so for this quick course, we are going to be drawing an animal, a spider monkey. And we're going to be using a black ballpoint pen, and we're going to focus on light and shadow and detail. We're going to cover up any mistakes because we are using pen. We're not going to be able to erase at all. We're just going to go with it, use our observational skills to get as close as we can to likeness and realism. So are you ready to experiment and sketch your way to improve your drawing skills? If you're ready, let's get on with the materials needed for this course.